Not far from the Sixth Law Museum, there is another important place, Dallas Holocaust Museum. It's history that moves you forward. In the era of Holocaust, there was no question who was a victim, who was a bystander, and who was an upstander. By presenting just 3 events that occurred on one single day in 1943, the museum contrasts some of the different responses to the Holocaust. These 3 events highlight the bravery and courage of the powerless who heroically defended life and saved others at the very same time that the powerful decision-makers in the Allied governments remained indifferent. Today, a different world cannot be built by indifferent people. Be an upstander. Visit the Dallas Holocaust Museum Center for Education and Tolerance and make a difference in your life.
First of all, we should be sure that never it should happen again. And the only way that we could know that it would never happen again is by to remember all the time. And I think it's important that we never, never, never forget it.